So what we're doing today is Ultherapy, and it is a new non-surgical treatment option to lift and tighten skin without recovery time. And what it does is it uses ultrasound to see through the skin and then treat those deep tissue structures for lifting gradually over time. Here we see a lifting of the eyebrow, an opening of the eyes. People look more refreshed and awake. There's no surgery, there's no cutting, there's no scar, there's no downtime.
Love it.
I can feel the effects already.
You get an ultrasound imaging of the skin and you see exactly where the energy is targeted. So what you're doing is you're heating the muscle, the layers beneath the skin cause a tightening, new collagen production, and you're getting a lifting of the face and the eyebrow.
Ultrasound. And the great thing is if we put it on her forehead, and you see here, you can actually see the layers of the forehead. This is the skin up here.
Oh, wow.
This is the fat, and this line here is her actual bone. And where these green lines are is where we're actually treating.
Now, what exactly is this doing? What's the ultrasound causing to happen?
Well, what the ultrasound's doing is it's actually affecting the deep skin and the fat, and it heats it up, tightening it up, creating a lift.
You down here as we move on to the next part, which is basically tightening up. You want to get rid of the sagging skin, the wrinkles. If you're a celebrity and you can afford this next treatment, boy, could you see big results. Talk to us about what this is.
Ultherapy, you feel some heat when it's being done. It's a one-time treatment, and afterwards you can see the tightening of the connective tissue. It's also causing collagen to be formed.
Wow.
So you're getting a radiance of the skin
it's almost
and
like
a tightening.
That facelift without going under the knife.
For tonight's Walgreens Life Changers.
Yeah, turning back the clock on wrinkles is getting a lot easier thanks to hot new life-changing therapy that you can get in less than an hour.
It's not magic, it's real, and it's called Ultherapy.
Ultherapy is a very, very different type of treatment than other types of treatments that are available today.
How different? No knives, no needles, no downtime. Just ultrasound heat firing up collagen production deep below the surface of your skin. Instant results that get even better with time.
That at about 3 months, all of these collagens sort of come together to give you the lifting and the tightening.
In addition to keeping Kim fresh-faced, Dr. Lancer, who we were with in his Beverly Hills office, helps his other famous patients get rid of fine lines and sagging skin with a non-invasive procedure called Ultherapy, which uses ultrasound to firm the skin.
That's delivering a stream of ultrapulses, and that ultrasound is delivering heat. And the heat is what triggers a skin repair mechanism. There will be some immediate response that's really quite dramatic, but the real bang for the buck is 2, 3, 4, 5 months later.
The ultrasound, we've all heard of it, but get this, the same technology can get you a facelift. You heard me right, it's called Ultherapy, or the uplifting ultrasound, a non-surgical facelift. Love it.
The picture is always a big part of a cosmetic procedure. And the procedure Sharon is about to undergo, one of the newest, considered one of the best in skin tightening. At 44, Sharon is the perfect patient for Ultherapy.
Anyone who just wants a little bit of tightening, not a lot of sagging that would need plastic surgery, but when you go like this, you just want to look a little bit tighter.
Marking and measuring, and she's ready to go. The same kind of technology used in baby ultrasounds, helping deliver a tissue tightening zap under the surface. A very focused energy stimulates collagen production. No downtime, no outward signs of anything done. So many pros. And for most people, just one treatment does the job. In Cleveland, Catherine Bosley, America Now.
The latest cosmetic craze set to sweep the nation. It is straight out of America, of course, and is a non-surgical procedure that you can get done in your lunch hour, of course. And as Tineke Everett reports, it's all designed to give you a lift.
It's an ultrasound wave that we're able to use to help rejuvenate the face and to get some skin tightening. Ultrasound, as we all know, has been used for a long time. It's used in medicine in a number of different areas. But now we've been able to harvest that sound wave.
Here's how it works. The handpiece delivers sound waves deep under the skin, heating areas the patient wants to improve and creating more collagen, the protein which keeps skin firm.
We're just saying to the collagen, you start healing, you start tightening and start a contraction process and to reverse some of the signs of aging. And the whole treatment takes about 45 minutes. There's no cutting of the skin, there's no surgical recovery period, and patients can go straight back to work.
It wasn't invasive, and also it was more natural and less traumatic.
It's part of a new trend.
Geçirmiş birkaç sene önce birkaç ameliyatla geçirmiş cildiyle ilgili düzeltmeniz gereken problemleri var.
Düzelttik botoksla. Sol kaşı düşüktü. Sol kaşını kaldırabilmek için, asimetriyi düzeltmek için yararlandık üst yüzünde. Kaz ayaklarına botoksladığımız zaman tabii ki burası belli bir miktar kalktı ve aynı eşit seviyeye geldi. Burada da kaldırmayacak bir şekilde botoksu yaptığımız zaman her iki taraftan az çok eşitlendi.
Named did a dance called the Hitchy Coo.